Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Duromax XP9000ih. This is the exact same as the Predator 9500. Only thing is the 9500 has 500 more starting watts. If you saw the video on the Predator 9500, we tested the oven, washer dryer, 5-ton AC. I'm going to try to run the exact same test, see if this guy can do the exact same thing. All right, just like the 9500, we have the 30 amp 240 volt plug, 4-pin. We're going to be using a 50 amp inlet box, which has a 50 amp plug. So you need an adapter. So you go from the 30 amp, the 4-pin 30 amp, to the 50 amp. All right. Then we're going to come from this and connect into our inlet box right here. We're going to switch over our power. So turn off the main, switch on our generator inlet box, and connect to this right here using this 50 amp inlet box connector. So we're going to plug this in, plug this in like this, come back to the generator, get your adapter plugged in. All right, twist lock. Then over here you can connect to the adapter to the 50 amp plug. That works just fine. So you'll go from your 30 amp. You're still getting 30 amp. Even though you have a 50 amp plug, you're still getting your 30 amp from here, okay? So let's see if we will start a 5-ton AC, washer, dryer. Guys, we're going to do all these tests individually. We're not going to power everything at the same time. Before you start your generator, make sure the main breaker is off. Have everything connected. You can go ahead and start your generator at this time. Let your generator warm up for about 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes before you introduce the load. It's just best to have it warm up first. Okay? If you're doing it on propane or gas, this is a dual fuel. This one has the wireless start, remote start. So let's go ahead and turn everything on. Okay, the first thing you do, so if you lose power, the first thing you do, you come over here, shut off your main. So you'd slide it up and turn your breaker on. Your main breaker is still off over here. Go ahead and warm up your generator. Turn your fuel on. And we're going to be running on gas. Turn that on. Yep. Let it warm up for about 5 minutes. You should be good to go. Since the Duromax actually has a power gauge, we're going to be using this one right here, the watt meter, so we can monitor our load. I don't have to hook up a separate monitor, which makes it real nice. All right, we're already warmed up. Let's go ahead and turn our power on. So if you want, you can turn all your breakers off before you introduce the power. What I do is I just make sure my AC is off. All the loads in my house is off right now. The only thing that's going to come on is the refrigerator and some of the loads that will just turn on by themselves. So I don't turn the whole panel off. Let's turn power on to the house. Okay, you can see right away you get about 700 watts coming in. And that's probably some ceiling fans, the refrigerator, and some loads that come on once you introduce power. But all the big loads are off. Okay, the first thing we're going to try is the oven. Let's go ahead and set it on. I'm going to put it at 350 degrees. Go ahead and start that load. Okay guys, we're pulling right at 4,000 watts. $4,200 watts. No problem with the heater, the oven. Let's go ahead and move right to the washer and dryer. Now we're moving on to the washer and dryer. We have the washer over here. Let's turn it on. Hit start. That's just 120 volts, so I'm not worried about it. It's not going to pull more than a few hundred watts. This one is a 240 volt. Let's see what that one pulls. So we're going to be doing both of them together. 6,000 watts. I'm telling you. So that pulls a lot of power. And that's the dryer pulling all that power. So there you go. Duromax 9000. You can do some laundry. Okay. AC just came on. Okay guys, as you can see, the Duromax 9000 actually starts the 5-ton AC. Let's see exactly what it did. And for those of you guys who don't know, I have a soft start on my AC. And if you look right here, you can see it took last start 43 amps. And it's pulling right about 17.8 right now. The 5-ton AC actually pulls less than the washer and dryer. 5,200. Pulling right at 5.4 now. Okay guys, let's go ahead and shut the AC off and conclude this video. Okay guys, I got everything off. Come over here, turn off your main. Turn that off. Okay guys, thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And guys, as usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.